Hello and welcome to Rathwulven Bushcraft. In this video we will have a look at the ground elder or Aegopodium podagraria, also known as bishop's weed, herb gerard or goutweed. Ground elder is a perennial plant native to Europe and Asia, and it has been introduced to Ireland, Great Britain, the United States, Canada, Australia, New Zealand and Japan. The plant is growing close to hedges, creeks, alongside trails and edges of mixed forest. It prefers nitrogen-rich soil in a shadowy location. In order to identify the plant, we can take its name as a reference to its unique characteristics. Ground elder features leaves resembling those of the elderbush, at least to a certain degree. Here you can see the leaf of the ground elder on the right-hand side, and for comparison a leaf of the elderbush on the left-hand side. Please note the overall shape of the palmately compounded leaves. Both appear with what we can call 5 fingers. For a proper identification, let's have a closer look at a compound leaf. On the top it features 3 single, elongated, somewhat egg-shaped leaves with pointy tips and serrated edges. The lower leaves are of a slightly different appearance, as 2 of the 3 single leaves are always adnate or intergrown. Note how these lower leaves resemble a goat's hoof. This relates to the plant's Latin name originating from the Greek words aegos for goat and podos for foot. Because beginners in the field of plant identification might mistake the ground elder for another toxic member of the umbellifer family, it is important to have a look at the cross-section of a leaf stem. Ground elder is the only umbellifer featuring a distinct triangular shape in the cross-section and a very noticeable indentation at the bottom of the leaf stem. Ground elder grows at an approximate height of 100 centimeters or 39 inches, flowering around June and July, developing white flower clusters typical for all varieties of the umbellifers. For comparison, let's have a look at a toxic doppelganger, Conium maculatum or poison hemlock. Note how similar its flowers look to those of the ground elder. This is why we must pay close attention to the characteristics mentioned earlier in this video. Putting the leaves of the ground elder and poison hemlock in juxtaposition to one another, we quickly realize how important it is to check for the unique goatfoot-like appearance of the adnate lower leaves, as well as for the unique triangular cross-section of the leaf stem. Note how the hemlock on the bottom features somewhat of an half-round, half-moon-shaped leaf stem with very distinct veins. Furthermore, the hemlock's leaves appear rather feathery compared to the egg-shaped leaves of the ground elder. Please also note the difference in color. Hemlock leaves are usually shiny, whereas ground elder leaves appear rather dull. Ground elder contains many important nutrients such as vitamin A, vitamin C, magnesium, manganese, kalium, calcium, zinc, and more protein than regular store-bought lettuce. The young plant can be eaten raw or cooked. Older plant parts should be avoided or at least cooked thoroughly, as they tend to turn chewy. Its taste can be best described as spinach-like when cooked or parsley-like when used uncooked. Despite being used for centuries by practitioners of folk medicine, modern science could not verify any curative effect of ground elder regarding gout, rheumatism and arthritis. Ground elder has therefore been removed from most modern medical literature. Nonetheless, this plant is of high culinary value, no matter if used in the outdoors or in our kitchens at home. If you liked this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to this channel. Should you have questions regarding ground elder, its identification or use, please leave a comment below. For more information on plant identification, please also check out the videos and playlists featured in this screen. Thank you very much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye bye.